Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice exponential equation x to the power 4 plus x minus 1 whole cube plus x minus 2 whole squared is equal to 2, and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. As a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, and a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Using these algebraic identities here, x power 4 plus here x minus 1 whole cube, we will use this algebraic identity a minus b whole cube is equal to here x cube minus 1 cube minus 3, here a is x squared and b is 1 plus 3, a is x, b is 1, b squared 1 squared, and here x minus 2 whole squared, we will use this algebraic identity a minus b whole squared. So this will become x squared minus 2x into 2 plus 2 squared is equal to 2. Now x power 4 plus x cube minus 1 cube, which is 1, minus 3 multiplied by 1 gives us 3x squared plus 1 squared, which is 1, and 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3, into x plus x squared minus 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4x plus 2 squared, 4 is equal to 2. Now x power 4 plus x cube, here minus 3x squared plus x squared gives us minus 2x squared, and plus 3x minus 4x gives us minus x, and here minus 1 plus 4 gives us plus 3 is equal to 2. Now x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 3, move this 2 from right hand side to left hand side and it will become negative 2 is equal to 0. X power 4 plus x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 3 minus 2 gives us plus 1 is equal to 0. Now rearranging, we can write this as x power 4 minus 2x squared plus 1, and the left terms are x cube minus x is equal to 0. Here we will write this as x squared gives us x power 4 minus 2x squared multiplied by 1, because 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2, plus here 1, we can write this as 1 squared because 1 squared is equal to 1, plus x cube minus x is equal to 0. Now by using algebraic identity, here a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is equal to a minus b whole squared. Here x squared minus 2x squared into 1 plus 1 squared gives us x squared minus 1 whole squared, plus we will take x from these two terms as common, and inside the bracket x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here x squared minus 1 whole squared and here x squared minus 1, so we will take this as common, x squared minus 1, and inside the bracket here x squared minus 1 plus this is we have taken it common and x will remain inside the bracket is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule we get x squared minus 1 is equal to 0 and x squared minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Now here we can apply an algebraic identity, which is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b, because here 1 squared is equal to 1. So by using this algebraic identity, here we get x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this will become x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this we get x is equal to minus 1 and from this we get x is equal to plus 1. So these are the two solutions, x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 1. Now x squared minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. We can write this as x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so we can apply a quadratic formula. As the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is 1, b is 1 and c is negative 1. So substituting these values in this formula, we get x is equal to negative 1 plus minus 1 squared minus 4, value of a is 1 and c is negative 1, divided by 2 multiplied by 1 because a is 1. X is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 squared gives us 1, minus into minus gives us plus, 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4, divided by 2 multiplied by 1 which is 2. So now x is equal to negative 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 gives us 5 divided by 2. From this we get two values, x is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and x is negative 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. As we have found x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. So this is x1 and this is x2. This is x3 and this is x4. These are the four solutions of x. Thank you for watching.